there, curious souls! Welcome back to Prodeon, the crossroads where passions meet spirituality, and the unconventional becomes the norm. Today's episode is not just a journey, it's a revelation. We're venturing into the vibrant world of religious studies, but not the version you might be familiar with. Today we ask, how can your secret salsa moves, your affinity for numbers, or your passion for pyrotechnics intersect with the profound realms of spiritual studies? It's time to unveil the mystery. We're embarking on a transformative journey, navigating through the intriguing ways religious studies intertwine with our beloved hobbies and career paths. Prepare to be inspired as we reveal unique combinations and meet visionary trailblazers who have transformed their passions into spiritual odysseys. First, let's sway into the mystical realm with the salsa Sufi. Imagine a dance floor pulsating with energy, where every movement is a step closer to the cosmos. This is where spirituality and salsa dance embrace in a harmonious waltz. Meet Maria Gonzalez, a renowned dance therapist who has pioneered this movement. With a background in both spiritual studies and professional dance, Maria has crafted a unique therapeutic journey that heals both the body and soul. Her workshops are not just dance classes, they're a celebration of life, where participants find rhythm in their breath and wisdom in their steps. Maria's story is not just about dance, it's about transformation, about finding the divine rhythm in everyday life. Her journey is a testament to the power of combining passions with spiritual inquiry, creating a dance of life that resonates with the rhythm of the universe. As we spice things up in the culinary world, we meet chefs like Ravi Patel, a culinary artist whose kitchen is a canvas for storytelling. Ravi's journey began into the bustling streets of Mumbai, where the spices not only flavored the food, but also carried the tales of generations. With each dish he prepares, Ravi weaves a tapestry of flavors and wisdom, creating meals that are not just nourishing for the body, but also for the soul. His acclaimed book, Sacred Flavors, is not just a cookbook. It's a journey through the spiritual heritage of cuisine, revealing how every ingredient carries a story, every meal a meditation. Ravi's approach transforms the act of cooking into a spiritual practice, inviting us to savor not just the taste but the sacred essence of food. In the realm of technology, we encounter ethical IT gurus like Sarah Al-Hamad, a software developer who codes with a conscience. Sarah's journey into the tech world was driven by her passion for creating spaces where technology and spirituality converge. Her platform, Soulful Connections, is not just a social network. It's a digital sanctuary where individuals from diverse backgrounds come together to share, learn, and grow. Sarah's work reminds us that technology can be a tool for unity and spiritual growth, a bridge that connects our digital lives with our deeper quest for meaning and connection. Now let's leap into action with the parkour practitioners, where we meet dynamic individuals like Alex Mercier. Alex's journey into parkour was not just a pursuit of physical prowess, but a quest for freedom and resilience. Through his program, Leap of Faith, Alex has created a space where physical training and spiritual growth go hand in hand. His workshops are not just about overcoming physical barriers. They're about transcending the mental and spiritual hurdles that hold us back. Alex's story is a powerful reminder that every leap, every vault, every seemingly insurmountable obstacle is an opportunity to rise above, to find strength in our faith, and to embrace the unpredictable journey of life with grace and determination. In the serene gardens cultivated by visionaries like Emma Richardson, every seed sown is a verse from the poetry of life. Emma's journey into gardening was a path to mindfulness, a way to connect with the earth and the cycles of nature. Her book, Gardens of the Spirit, is not just a gardening manual. It's a guide to cultivating life, both in the soil and in the soul. Through her workshops, Emma invites us to slow down, to nurture the seeds of our intentions, and to witness the blooming of our inner gardens. Her story inspires us to see gardening not just as a hobby, but as a spiritual practice, a silent dialogue between the earth and us, teaching us patience, care, and the art of growth. In the realm of theater, we encounter visionaries like David Kim, whose stage is a canvas for the human spirit. David's journey into theater was a quest for truth, a way to explore the depths of the human experience. His productions, like the acclaimed Echoes of the Divine, are more than performances. They are rituals of reflection and connection. Through his work, David invites us to look beyond the surface, to explore the stories that bind us, and to find the universal truths hidden in the scripts of our lives. His approach to theater transforms the stage into a sacred space, a place where stories are not just told but experienced, where the audience is not just spectators, but participants in a shared journey of discovery and wonder. Venture into the fascinating world of eco-architecture, where visionaries like Maya Lin blend spiritual philosophy with sustainable design. Maya's approach to architecture is not just about constructing buildings. It's about creating spaces that speak to the soul and respect the earth. Her iconic works, like the tranquil wave field, are more than structures. They're landscapes of contemplation, inviting us to interact with space, nature, and our inner selves. Maya's philosophy of integrating spiritual concepts, such as harmony and balance, into architectural design has transformed spaces into sanctuaries, places where the environment, humanity, and spirituality coexist in a beautiful symphony. Her journey inspires us to see our living spaces not just as physical structures, but as extensions of our spiritual values, reminding us that the spaces we inhabit can reflect and nurture our inner peace and ecological harmony. Delve into the dynamic fusion of social media and spiritual studies with digital strategist Julian Torres. Julian has revolutionized the way spiritual communities engage online, transforming social media platforms into vibrant spaces for interfaith dialogue and reflection. His initiative, Soulful Networks, isn't just another social media campaign. It's a global movement connecting individuals across various spiritual backgrounds, encouraging them to share their journeys, wisdom, and insights. Through thoughtfully curated content, interactive forums, and live virtual meditations, Julian's work has fostered a digital sanctuary where users not only scroll through feeds, but also embark on a journey of spiritual growth and interconnectedness. His innovative approach demonstrates how social media, often criticized for its superficiality, can be harnessed as a powerful tool for spiritual education and a catalyst for creating compassionate, understanding global communities. Lastly, in the realm of the mathematical mystics, we meet luminaries like Dr. Amina Ahmed, whose equations are not just calculations, but conversations with the cosmos. Amina's journey into mathematics was a quest for understanding, a pursuit of the patterns that underlie the tapestry of existence. Her research, her talks, and her teachings remind us that mathematics is not just a language of numbers, but a language of the universe, a way to decipher the codes of creation and to understand the rhythms of the cosmos. Through her work, Amina invites us to see mathematics not just as a subject, but as a spiritual practice, a path to wonder, and a way to commune with the mysteries of the universe. And there we have it, fellow seekers and dreamers. From the rhythmic realms of the Salsa Sufi to the meticulous equations of the mathematical mystics, we've embarked on a journey that beautifully blends the sacred with the seemingly mundane. This exploration is a testament to the boundless potential that lies at the intersection of our passions and the profound wisdom of spiritual studies. It's a reminder that the pursuit of our passions isn't just a path to personal fulfillment, but a journey that can illuminate the interconnectedness of our world, fostering understanding, compassion, and unity. So, as we conclude this episode, I encourage you to reflect on the passions that ignite your spirit and consider how they might intertwine with the wisdom of spiritual studies to carve a path that is uniquely yours. Remember, the most extraordinary careers and the most fulfilling lives are often found at the intersection of the seemingly unrelated, where curiosity meets courage and where knowledge meets wonder. If this journey has sparked a light within you, if it has stirred your spirit or simply piqued your curiosity, I invite you to engage with this community of dreamers and seekers. Like, share, and subscribe to Pratyan, and let's continue this journey together. Share your thoughts, your dreams, or even your own quirky career combinations in the comments below. Let's nurture this space for inspiration, exploration, and meaningful conversations. And most importantly, in the pursuit of your dreams, take care of yourselves and each other, for it's in nurturing our own spirit that we truly contribute to the tapestry of humanity. Until next time, keep exploring, keep dreaming, and keep weaving your unique strand into the beautiful mosaic of life. Farewell, take care, and remember, the sacred synergy of your passions is a masterpiece in the making.